Right guys, we're back again. We're just here on Chapel Street. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon and we're just walking past the old courts and police station. If we can cross over. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a walk into town, see what's happening up there. Hope you're all good, looking after yourselves. There's no machinery going on today. They're all ripping out the upstairs at the back of the courts. So they've been on it 2 weeks now. But they reckon it's a 6 month job, so anyway, we'll carry on, guys. It's a bit dull, the weather-wise, but at least it's not raining or anything, so we can crack on with some new video. I reckon we're getting that snow back again soon. Yeah, so we'll have a walk down Central Drive and see what's going on. Make our way towards town. But like I say, out of season, not much going on. The illuminations are off and the Christmas market's gone, and there's not much activity, but they'll find something, they always do here. Nice to see that lot's martined up, whether that's part of this plan. I know this is, and this side. They're in a rush. It'll be nice when all that's flattened, won't it? When all that's gone and flattened, then they've yet to see what they're going to do there. Yep, so we'll get to see what they're going to build on there. I think to start with it'll be levelled out for a car park. That'd be about the best thing to begin with. Yeah, it's like all these little Backstreet B&Bs. Before COVID, a lot of them in the rooms used to have like a little fridge and a little cooker and a little microwave and toaster, which made it cheaper for people, you know, rather than keep eating out. Then COVID struck, and then they stopped all that. So maybe they should think of bringing that back, because if they do, it means that people can do, you know, they can stay a bit longer, can't they? Instead of staying one night, they can do 2 or 3 nights. Because if they're saving money on eating out, put the money towards staying extra days. And like I say, before COVID struck, they used to, like I say, they used to have like all the little amenities in the rooms. But that all got moved out. So it's only like your big hotels now, your evening meal and breakfast. But like I say, all these Backstreet hotels, little guest houses, no microwave. All you get is your room, your bed, shower, a little TV, and facilities to make a cup of tea and coffee. But when they had like the little cookers and the fridges, and the microwaves and that, and the toasters, you could make something to eat. So they should think about bringing all that back. Anyway, enough of me moaning. All these buildings here that are all bolted up, bloody shame. But they just haven't got the money, have they, to refurb them all. You know what I mean? Just haven't got the money, have they? Right, we're here on Coronation Street. Oh dear. Anyway, it'll soon be summer, guys. Everything will be open again. Everything will be booming. Have a pan round. Maybe they should think where the old police station and courts are is putting some sort of bigger venue on there. I mean, you've got like the Winter Gardens here. Or maybe they should think of a sort of small arena or something. I don't know. Anyway, it's a while off that yet. But even if they flatten it and turn it all into a big massive car park, they'll make money, won't they? So right, we'll just we're here on Church Street. We'll have a walk up to St John's Square. Anyway, guys, you wrap up when you go out. Keep yourselves warm. It's only going to get colder. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, because I'll end the video here. Take care. And I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.